Bridge was designed by Leila Iraqian as part of a local competition for the design of a bridge to connect two parks in North Tehran which were separated by a highway. In designing the bridge, a process which took a total of 4 years, Iraqian wanted it to be a place for people to stay and ponder, not simply pass. To achieve this, the bridge is not straight and contains benches and seating. Construction of the bridge started in 2010, using a total of 2,000 tons of steel and 10,000 cubic meters of concrete before it was finished in October 2014. Construction of the bridge over a large highway was described as a big challenge, with platforms and temporary tunnels built to ensure that nothing fell onto the road below. Architecture, edit. 3 tree-shaped columns support 2 continuous deck levels, which makes the lower level covered and suitable for use in all seasons. A third level is located where the truss meets. The column branches. The complex steel structure has a dynamic 3-dimensional truss, and the surface is curved with a varying width. Structural elements of the bridge use a latent geometrical order, rotated and repeated in all 3 dimensions. Restaurants serve customers at either end of the bridge with seating areas, 8, and kiosks between. Some areas of the bridge are open to allow trees to grow, and the bridge itself has green spaces to encourage visitors to linger. The bridge offers viewing areas for scenery without itself blocking the view of the Alborz Mountains and has a small footprint that blends in with its environment. Each of the 2 parks the bridge connects has multiple pathways leading visitors onto the bridge. Gathering place, edit. The bridge not only connects 2 parks, it is a popular gathering place for the community in its seating areas and restaurants, acting as a place for people to stay, not just pass. Some have described walking on the bridge as feeling like walking through a forest and a place of positive energy where they can come to re-energize when feeling low. 4 million people visited the bridge the first year it was open.
Jakoś to easy.